Ready, baby?
Yeah.
Here, open it.
Help her. It's already there. You go.
Whoa! What's that, baby? Here, let me help you. Whoa!
Mama squishy is slime. Is he slime?
There's slime in there.
Yeah.
What else?
Ring. And
Okay, here. We'll open that. Hang on. What's underneath this? What's this?
skin.
What's in there?
Skin.
She already knows what's in there.
She's watched the videos. Open it. Whoa!
Whoa,
Isn't that cool?
That's actually really cool.
It's in.
Yeah, an alien. Pull the string.
It's in. That's in.
It's supposed to make noise. No? Oh, here we go.
Look at her still calm life. Here. Do you remember what figure it was? Was it this one?
It's an alien, Ryan, but I don't know which.
Oh, it's probably this one. Open this one, maybe. Ryan's World. It's a mystery figure.
Mama in.
It's an alien.
Yeah, in. Mama!
Combo Panda!
That's the ultra rare.
You're a liar.
I'm dead serious.
Nice.
She got the ultra rare one. Baby, you got the ultra rare.
Nice, babe.
Mama got these weird.
He's ultra rare. That's so cool.
Okay. Look how excited you are. Just as excited as she is. Open it for
That's
her
because
so
that's
she
really
can open
cool.
it.
Okay.
Where's your knife?
Put it
You put it
back.
back.
Daddy. Yeah, open you.
Yeah, you can't lose this one though because he's ultra rare.
Oh, so where?
He even has a little. What is this? Is this his like little game controller?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. That's cute.
Here.
Oh,
Here. He
squishy.
goes in here.
This goes near.
I think he goes in there, right?
Yeah, there's, yeah.
Here.
Look, ready?
Uh,
Here.
Combo?
Another Combo Panda? Oh, another Combo
No
Panda.
way. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Because that's also rare.
You're a liar.
I had-
Another ultra rare?
Dead ass.
Dang. Let me see.
No way.
We're getting all the rare ones. That's cool. Okay, go ahead.
Mommy's slime.
Okay.
Wait, isn't there a thing that's like win a chance to go on a trip with Ryan?
That's the,
The Walmart one?
yeah.
Oh. Which one's that?
Oh, scientist Ryan.
Ryan. Mom, this is Tyson Ryan.
Scientist Ryan?
Mommy wants my sprayer one.
What is it?
Putty.
Putty?
No, what's
we'll
this
open
one?
these later.
What's this one?
This one?
Okay, what's the ultra rare one on that one? If we get that one, we hit the mother load with this egg.
It's same.
It's
combo.
the Combo Panda? Okay.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's alien.
It's alien Ryan.
Oh, okay, so maybe the combo doesn't go. Well, he could go in there, but...
It's Ian Ryan.
Here, let me help you.
Hey, we're gonna not dirty this one.
Mom, it's Ian.
You like it?
Look, it's come out.
Yeah.
I'm putting this one back, okay?
They're both rare, so why are you putting one back and not the other?
Because this one was in the bag.
Pie.
Oh.
Mommy want pie.
You want the putty?
Yeah.
The rare color is orange.
Orange?
Open it.
Orange.
Your favorite color is gonna be this one, so you can get one.
Yeah.
Orange. 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 Man, open it.
Oh, she got the.
I got.
What color is that? Supposed to be butter gold? Is that supposed to be butter
Looks
gold?
weird.
It looks weird.
Okay, there's one other thing to open. What is it? Slime?
Yeah, it's butter gold.
Okay. Open the slime.
For the slime,
Mommy, slime.
the rare one would be
Pink.
rody gold.
Me pink.
Okay.
Mommy, pink. Pink.
You want pink slime?
Yeah, pink.
Is there pink slime?
Yeah, rotten rose, gooey green, vol violet, icky indigo, raunchy rust, and nasty neon. And the rody gold.
Mom.
These are funny names.
Slime. Slime.
So wet sounding.
Do it.
Open it. Just unscrew it and then let her pull it open.
Here, don't, we can't look. Only she can
I
look.
can't.
Ready? What is it? What color is it?
Black.
Blue?
Blue.
Indigo?
It looks blue.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Here, just leave it like
put
that.
over here.
Wow, baby. Those
You
are
got
your...
2 ultra rares in there, kiddo.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's cool.
Me each way to put near her.
Here.
Mommy, put it.
Okay, are you excited about your Ryan's egg?
No!
She doesn't want that in there, honey. Are you excited about the stuff you got?
Mommy's put here.
What do you want me to put on there?
Yes.
What do you want me to put on that?
Is it?
What is it?
Plate.
All right,
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.